1 pot, 2 pots, 3 pots. Ha ha ha. The black paint done on both 2 pots. Now you're just gonna basically take a pencil and just start drawing out the suit. Really easy to do, actually. All right, so now that I have the outline done, you're seeing now is I'm just gonna start painting his white on his suit. While I'll let the suit part of it dry and I'm still using the white, this is the bottom pot, okay? And we just drew basically out his shoes and stuff. So we went ahead and painted the rest of the vest. So now I'm gonna use these buttons. Just gonna put a little hot glue on there like that. And we're just going to put that right at the starting of the second pot, like so. Okay, the Count's nose, and we're gonna have to paint that. And then we also made the Count's ears out of clay, and then of course his beard, and then his eyebrows as well. And for if you're wondering, you're gonna see it shortly, is I used a dark purple and a lavender and mixed it together to do the ears and the nose right there, and then the ears, which are drying. Now what we're gonna do is, all right, we're gonna take and glue these 2 pots together, and just gonna put a nice bead right on that very edge. Now you can use some E6000 if you feel you need to. While I'm allowing the 2 pots to fully bond and dry together, we're gonna take that lavendery purple, as I mentioned, and we're only gonna go from the lip down to the bottom of the pot and only half of the pot, because then we're gonna draw out his hair outline as well. We have the hair outline, which we're gonna be painting black, so you can see it's all penciled out. And then the remaining of the pot, go ahead and paint it black with your acrylic blacks. What we're doing is, we drew out the hands, and now all we're doing is simply using that purple mix color that we have together, and we're gonna go ahead and paint his hands right onto the pots. And as I mentioned earlier, we did glue all of the oven baked clay for his face. We're waiting for that to dry. While the ears dry, and then I'll do some touch-up work around the glue and stuff like that to blend it in with the paint. We're gonna go ahead and do the top of the pot, the head, and glue it down to the actual body. All right, guys, there you have it. As you can see, I put a monocle on him as well, because obviously Count Von Count. Ha, ha, ha. Count to 1, as you can see on his hand. So there you guys go. That's our version of Count Von Count.